Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before watching video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So in today's video, before going further, let's have a look here. I want you all to show that how artists put efforts in small things. Here I have shown the small setup for photo shoot. I have taken two papers for background. One is white and one the brown, just to give it a look bright, and I have put some flowers around it. So this video is about the mini folder.
I'm fine.
Really?
Absolutely. I'm fine.
Just for you, miss you, small hike sticker, sending you a love, smiley card, and I have written messages inside all of that cards. So it looks pretty. I like small stuff, mini stuff a lot. Even my friends do that too. So I made this for my one of my friend. So before watching video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please mention it in comment section below. So now let's put all cards inside again. If you want tutorial for such gift articles or gift items, you can also mention this in comment section, or you can DM me at my Instagram handle. It's mentioned in description box. So till then, bye guys. I hope you like this video. We'll meet in next video. Bye.